Bitcoin has grown well in the cryptocurrency world in the last few years, and many peoples are showing their interest in this crypto industry. Most of the research and study says that Bitcoin is more popular and it might be a benefit for most of the peoples today. Moreover, in this, you have to be tricky, it has its risks, and if you are not aware of it, you may lose a lot. Hi, welcome to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Remember to hit the like button just to motivate us to continue making these videos. By the way, if you are interested in making money online via trading etc., visit the links in the description box below and you can download various trading tools, Forex robots, and books for free. People often ask me about the broker I use. Check them out in the description below. I have tried many other Forex brokers, but none have come close to my broker in terms of customer service, fast, seamless deposits and withdrawals, reliability of their platform, deposit bonuses, and trading education. They have various accounts to suit every taste, and you can start trading for as low as $5. Now you know why I have been with them since 2016. Sign up today with the link below and see for yourself what I am talking about. Let's get into today's video. If you are a new Bitcoin (BTC) investor, there are some major things you should know and have to do before you get started. 1. Do your research. Before investing in Bitcoin, it is crucial to do some research about Bitcoin. You shouldn't invest in anything before you don't understand it. Understand the concept, how it works, and know the possibilities before you lose your money. Let's consider that it also a risk. Take your own time to learn the basics and constantly increase your knowledge of it. 2. Don't force yourself. It could be more excited when you are investing in cryptocurrencies for the first time. Every beginner in this industry has to look forward to making money as the other traders have already claimed. Moreover, as I said earlier, you should learn about the basics and not rush up the process. Bitcoin might have been known for some years now. But nobody knows what will be the future. And also, don't invest more money into Bitcoin investment. Start investing small, and day-by-day learning can help you to decide how much you have to invest in it. 3. Invest in other cryptocurrencies. Most of the experts would say that don't get more excited about Bitcoin that could end up investing all your money in it. They suggest that don't invest your entire money in one cryptocurrency, i.e., Bitcoin. Instead, make your investment in other assets such as Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, Ethereum, etc. 4. Keep your assets secure. Cybercrime department is more preeminent to avoid fraudulent activities in the crypto space. One of the best ways to hold your Bitcoin safe is by keeping it in a cryptocurrency wallet. But before you have to check that the wallet is secure. Because your transactions can get hacked and might be ended up losing all of your money if you are not be aware of it. There are no refunds for Bitcoin. Once lost, you can't retrieve it. Be careful, and also you should avoid getting into such a situation. 5. Prepare for volatility. Most of the investors would advise that the Bitcoin market is more unpredictable. If you are a new investor, you have to keep a strategy that helps to manage at the time of price fluctuations. Always aim for long-term investments. Don't get any temptation to get into short-term bets. In conclusion, these steps could help you know the best way to invest in Bitcoin as a new investor and begin your journey with enriched information. If you learned something new in today's video, please remember to click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss future videos. We will see you in the next video.